Welcome to your ISP's personalized customer portal. Let's take a tour and see how easy it is for your customers to manage their account. Once a customer has logged in, they'll see a clear and concise page. Here, the customer can quickly check their account status, including their payment information. Customers can also easily pay their bill online with a few simple clicks. Need to update contact information? No problem. Customers can navigate to the Update My Contact Details section. Here, your customers can edit their address, phone number, and email address. They can also add additional contacts to their account. Want to manage your billing preferences? Check out the Billing Information section. Your customers can also view their payment history from the Check My Statements section, or go back to the Payment Information section to update their payment method and even set up autopay. Curious about the customer's current service plan? Head over to the Manage My Package section. Here, you can have customers view their subscribe packages, usage details, and any scheduled auto actions. Need help? Customers can easily submit and track support tickets. Simply go to My Tickets to view your customer's ticket history. With this user-friendly portal, your customers have everything they need to manage their account efficiently. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your client success team.